Hello children. Today let us learn how to write an essay on the title Child Labor. Firstly, let us look at the pattern to be followed in order to write an essay. Introduce the topic assuming that the reader has no knowledge about the topic. So we need to introduce it from the basic level. Try not to repeat the same word, replace it with a synonym. So, try not to repeat the same word again and again. It may cause boredom in the reader. Try to use new words or replace the same word with a synonym. So, here comes the pattern this way. Para 1 is introduction. Second paragraph, elaborate on the topic, concentrate on the positive aspects. Then para 3, concentrate on the negative consequences if any. And in the para 4, give suggestions, tips or new ideas. So this is a pattern to be followed and it cannot be done the same way because all the topics do not have disadvantages and advantages. There are some topics where there are only advantages or where there are only disadvantages. For example, here child labor, it doesn't have any advantage at all. So that way, in that case, we need to give the information, reasons and the consequences and the solutions to get rid of it. But we need to keep in mind that each paragraph has occupied a certain theme. That is, in one, if we are going for the remedial measures, entire para we need to describe the remedial measures. If we are going for the causes, the entire para we need to go with the causes. And if we are going with the course of the event, how it gradually developed, what is the origin behind it, what are the reasons behind it. So in that whole para we are going to write on the same context. This is what we ought to keep in mind. On to the question here. Every child in our country has a right to study and get educated. But nowadays we witness many small children working in hotels, shops, etc. Though it is illegal for people to employ children, they do so. Write an essay on child labor. You can make use of the following points: definition of child labor, causes of child labor, prevalence in our society, laws against child labor, and solution for the problem. So here we go with the essay writing. Firstly, we give the heading, that is the title, that's nothing but child labor. Then we define child labor, what child labor is. Child labor is a practice of making children below the age of 14 to work in an unhygienic and undesirable condition where children work like adults for a livelihood. Though they are children, they do not enjoy their childhood, they work like adults. These children are sent to work because of poverty, lack of employment for the parents, children not interested in studies, or due to parents being either dead or sick. So in the second paragraph, we are going with the reasons. What are the reasons that children become child laborers? Generally, we see child laborers in mechanic sheds, tea shops, grocery shops, vegetable markets, and hotels, etc. Here, the people engage children to work because they work for a lesser wage than the elders. Children work harder and beyond the timing with a desire to get good food and good clothing or to help their family get rid of debts. Generally, children get carried away with something called overtime. When the owner asks them to work for extra hours and he tells that he would pay something extra, they go beyond their strength, beyond their level to work harder with a desire to get something extra, some sweet things, some desires that they can be fulfilled. They join the work thinking that they would continue their studies after working for a while, but the income that they get becomes necessary for the family and they are forced to forget about education. Thus, they land up to be children deprived of their childhood and education. So, generally, child laborers, they do not know that they are going to continue as child laborers. They just come for a little while. They think that they would work for a while and come out of it. But the economic level of their family is such that and they have to continue. Once people see children earning, they can't let them sit idle and get education. So they generally make them work again. So this is how most of the child laborers remain child laborers. Yes, now we are going to speak about the steps taken by the government. The government of India has enforced many laws to curb child labor. The Child Labour Prohibition and Regulation Act of 1986 prohibits the employment of children below 14. Article 24 says that no child below the age of 14 shall be employed to work. Anyone employing a child has to pay the penalty of imprisonment between 6 months and 2 years or a fine of 20,000 or 50,000. The second time offence will attract imprisonment of 1 to 3 years. So this is how the government is taking steps to abolish child labour from our country. Though these laws are made, they are enforced. It is the children or it is the parents who have to avoid this child labour, because how much ever the government does, unless and until people think that there should be a change, that change cannot occur. So here we come with a conclusion this way. The only solution to abolish child labour is that parents should be given awareness on the importance of education to children. They should be made aware that children have the right to play, spend time with their family, get education and enjoy their childhood, and that depriving them their rights is a punishable offence. So parents need to understand that children are not their property. Children have their own rights and they should let them enjoy their rights. Hope you all understood how to write an essay writing. Thank you children. Thank you for watching. Have a delightful day.